Dan Tanner.
What is that? That's Netflix. It can't be working. Is it working? Let's see if it's working. That's working. In this quickie, I'm gonna give you a quick instructional on how to get Netflix on your Black Shark 3 Pro. Y'all ready? Let's go. The Gadget Goddess, and I'm going to give you a quick instructional on how to get Netflix on your Black Shark 3 Pro, or maybe even another Chinese variant of a device when you don't have the global. First of all, link in the description for where you get this APK. It says here that this APK is for the Mate 30 Pro, right? That's fine. I'm on a Xiaomi, but this is going to work. So I'm going to tap here, and my download is starting. Hit here. So if you don't have this turned on, I have it turned on my Chrome browser. You have to go into settings and let it allow apps to be installed from unknown sources, right? Yeah, there it is. So I'm gonna go back, and it says, hey, do you want to install Netflix? Of course we do. So you see it's installing. Successfully installed. When you open it the first time, it's gonna spin for a minute. I like full screen mode. We're gonna do that. Stick with me, stick with me. Initially, I thought this was not gonna work. I was like, oh my God. This is for Huawei. It's not gonna work on my phone. So after a bunch of spinning, you have to let it spin now. Don't give up on it. It says new version of an application found. Do you want to update? And you'll hit OK. We'll go not to the Google Play Store. We're gonna go to the App Store. See, now we're still in the Chinese App Store. So yes, we're gonna update it. No, I do not speak Chinese. So now we're gonna open things up. I still have options to download and go. And here we are. I'll give you another example to show it works. Now, when you log back into it at a later time, let me close it out and come back to it. It'll ask you, it'll say it's a newer version. Do I want to update? You'll hit cancel. And okay, if you want to get notifications, and everything should work. You don't have to keep updating this app. I think the more you update it, it might not work because it's really technically not supposed to work. But here we are, Netflix. So there you have it in all its glory. Netflix works. Quick little video, something that holds you 20 minutes like my last couple of videos. Hope y'all have a great day, and see you on the next video.